Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Julie and I like to talk about handbags here on this channel. And if you're not new and you're returning, thank you guys so much for joining me again. It's so good to see you. Tonight, I'm gonna talk to you about the sweaty summer handbags that I've been carrying. It's been hot, you guys. We're in mid-July, the heat is on. We have heat indexes of like 100 here where I live. So these bags are gonna be basically nice, light, throw-on bags that I've been carrying. Just kind of ones that I don't mind that get sweat on them, and they're just perfect for the summer season, nice colors and everything. So I have, let's see, 6 bags that I'm gonna show you, and I'll just go through them real quick and why I like them and why I like them for the summertime. And so if you're out shopping around and you want a good summer bag, check out this video. I really have been loving some of my Marc the tote bags lately in the summertime, especially the red one. I carry this a lot around the 4th of July time period, obviously the holidays, and it's just so patriotic, and I love red. And the Marc size small is so nice. It's a petite size, it still carries quite a bit, and it's still easy to wear crossbody. So, but yeah, this is definitely a fun summer bag. It just kind of screams summer. It also screams holiday, so I do whip this out around the winter time. But the red of Marc red is just divine. Like, he makes a red so good, and I can pair it with a lot of my wardrobe. I pair red a lot with the clothes I wear in the summer. I love to wear white jeans. And when I wear white jeans, I love to wear like a black shirt, blue shirt, you know, just kind of solids. And this just really looks good, kind of like with what I have on today. So yeah, she's good. I've got the strap. I'm using her right now. And I selected red, again, fun summer festive color. The next bag that I've been wearing a ton, and when I first got this bag, I could not get out of it for a straight week, which is a long time for me to be in a bag, is like a whole week. It was just so joyful to carry this bag. So joyful that, as you know, or may not know, I did pick it up in the dark line when they had it available, and I think this bag's now sold out, unfortunately, but it's the Borough Bowler Bag. Perfect, cute little petite size. Love the satchel feature, love the top handles on this bag. Great as a crossbody. Some people don't like the crossbody strap on it. I love it. I do. And then if you don't like a crossbody strap though, you can just wear it by the top handle. But yes, aren't they just so cute? I'll just show the dark lime one though a little bit more. This little Rexy kind of travels between both bags until I decide what's gonna permanently go on this one. I think my Rexy is gonna permanently stay on my dark lime one, and then I'll end up getting a new one for this beautiful bag, and I may get a white one for this. So we will see. But yeah, she's just the most beautiful key lime, dark lime is what it's called, green, and she's just beautiful, so fun, vibrant, a little tough to kind of match it to clothes though, I will say. I love like hot pink sometimes in clothes, and I think that this really pairs well with a pink shade. It also can go really nice with like deep purple probably, or oranges. So just all very fun summer wear. The chalk one I do love because it's straight up and neutral and it can just match anything. But no, the leather on these bags are just so scrumptious and so amazing. And the smooth zipper is the thing that gets me like anytime. And I've done a couple of reviews on these bags, so check them out. And so maybe if they come out with a larger one of these in the wintertime, that would be perfect. So yeah, I've just been getting a lot of use out of these 2 bags this hot and sweaty summer. The other day, my son and I went to a place called Worlds of Fun. It's kind of like a Cedar Point. It's kind of like just an amusement park. And so I definitely took this bag for that. I don't wear it with the cherry charms out to like a place like that because I'm worried about losing this. The backpack though served such a good purpose whenever we were out roaming the park. We did 2 laps around the whole entire park, and I always had to like be mindful of this bag. We went on the ride called the Fury of the Nile, and it's a soaking wet ride. I didn't care. This is treated Vachetta, and it just basically sat in the middle of the boat and then it got completely soaked. But the bag's fine because it's denim and it's gonna wear really, really well. So I've already got some wear and tear on this backpack. I love it. I really, really love it. It holds everything. It's perfect. And I love this front pocket of the Raya backpack because it's perfect for your AirPods. And I love that. I love that you can just grab those out of that. So yes, denim Raya backpack, excellent choice for summertime. If you're gonna walk a bunch, if you're gonna go camping, if you're gonna do anything like that, rowing, I mean, you name it, this bag is great, perfect for hiking. It is a bag that can wear low on your back, which can get a little annoying because it can knock against your back. So you can adjust the straps though really easily, but I just love it. Like, the denim is just, it's a summer vibe. It's totally Americana summer, and it's just a great little statement piece by Coach. I love the signature print. This bag actually has really shocked me on how much I've really loved it. And it's the Basile Le Petit Apron bag. And so Basile is definitely a brand not many people know about. It is a French brand, and I'll link the video down below. I'll link my link to shop this bag down below as well, so you can have a direct link. But this bag is awesome, you guys. It really holds a crap ton of stuff, and the leather is scratch proof. Like, I couldn't believe that. So again, if I'm rough during the summer because I have my kids, I don't have to worry about the leather getting all messed up and damaged. The interior is full suede, it's gorgeous, and then you've got this nice thick crossbody strap that they include. It's this, and then the hardware is awesome. So Basile, not many people, again, know about the brand, but I am so impressed with the quality of this bag. And it's a clown car. It holds more than what you would think, and it stays compact. So it's great for crossbody and great for, you know, I love it like for work, seriously, when I'm showing, because it can just stay on my body and it just kind of travels with me from house to house. So, but yeah, this is definitely one that I've been using quite a bit in the summer as well. So last but certainly not least is this beauty right here. And sometimes when I just want to have like a really nice lightweight bag to carry through the summertime that looks super summery as well, I am going to reach for this bag. This is so nice. I love it to take into the office, to take into work. It fits my laptop. It's awesome even just for an everyday bag. So even the days that I don't carry around my laptop with me, I just stay in this, and like, I am so content with that because it's just an open tote, and it's almost just kind of like that perfect never full bag that people really, really love. They love the never full tote. This is that for me, even though I feel like this to me is better than a never full. I don't know why. I've won a never full, but then I've sold 5 of them through my life, and I just can't do it anymore. But if I want a nice tote that serves the same purpose, this to me is it. It's straight up and down. It's basically the garden party, and this is Naomi crafted and her take on the garden party by usage of using the dust bags by Hermes. And I can't believe how beautiful this bag is. I just love it. I'm gonna link her site down below, you guys. Naomi is such a sweetheart. I was using this bag today, and I have a Chipotle receipt in it, but here she is on the inside. It is just such a good bag. And again, super light summer wear. I mean, if I'm sweating, this is just, you know, nice. I also like to play pickleball now, and so my pickleball paddles and the ball fit in here perfectly fine. And it just feels so chic, you know what I mean? It's just a chic bag. It's got the logo on it. And I do get heads that turn whenever I watch this or wear this bag. Like I watch people and they're like, oh, like that's a beautiful bag. And so I don't know. I think sometimes people wonder if it really is Hermes. I mean, but those who know probably really know. It's not. So, but no, I'm just so happy. So, yeah, that's basically all the 6. And then, what bags are you guys carrying lately in the summertime? That's pretty much it. I want to let you know that I'm going to do my 5K giveaway. I'm probably going to go ahead and just do the announcement this Saturday. So I'll give you a heads up on that. So stay tuned for my Saturday's video, okay? And then after that, I'll announce who the winner is and like a follow-up video to that. And then I'm gonna let you guys know, I'm gonna probably take a YouTube hiatus. There has been something occur within my immediate family that I do need to tend to. It's pretty serious, involving one of my kids. So everybody's gonna be okay, but I just wanna let you know, I'm probably gonna need to really just take a break from YouTube for a while and, you know, maybe just do 1 video a month, which is probably fine for me. I just really wanna focus on the boys, and you know, school's gonna be starting up too, but it's just important that I really focus on them right now rather than other things outside of my main job and my kids. So that is that, you guys. Thank you so much for understanding. So that's it for my video. All right, take care now.